Hi, so today we're going to be unboxing the Shark corded upright, and this one is with the anti-hair wrap. It comes with a 5-year guarantee, which is quite promising. It shows that the company are really quite certain that it's a good product, and if it isn't, you know, if it doesn't last the full 5 years, then you've got a good guarantee with it. Okay, so we'll just put that on there. So I've not had one of these before. I've had the Dyson. I've had a Dyson, and I've had other hoovers, but I've never tried one of these. So it's packaged quite well. It's very easy access, which is good because sometimes it can get a bit fiddly, can't it? Unwrapping and untangling everything. But this just seems nicely packed. This just seems that's it. So we'll get rid of the box now, and then we can have a good look at what we've got here. Okay, so it does say that it has really powerful suction. The bristles, guards and comb, which remove hair from the brush roll's bristles, and it picks up long, short and pet hair. So that's good to know because I've got really long hair, so I really need a really good hoover that's going to be robust, you know, and pick up all my hair. So in here, I'll show you bit by bit. We'll try and build it up. So this bit nicely opens, not difficult to get at all. Okay, so this main part has been packaged in a way that it's quite secure from damage and bangs, which is good. Okay, so there we have the, I don't know whether you can see it. So it is the Duo Clean version. Okay, and underneath you can see where this roller is, and you can remove this. I will do another YouTube about the use of the hoover. So you've got that piece there, and then obviously you've got the hand piece. Okay, it feels quite good quality. I do always worry about hoovers, buying hoovers, because mine does get used quite a lot in this house, so I'm always aware that they need to last a while. Okay, so still nicely packaged up. Now the trick for me, the thing that'll sell it for me, is how easy it is to put together, because yeah, me and logic and instructions don't really go hand in hand, so hopefully this will be easy to put together. Okay, so again, the packaging is really good, you know. They've got lots of bits of foam, like this for instance, that the hoover bit came. You've got all the sponging on there to protect it. Okay, so now, this is the funny bit. Right, well we'll start. This is the main hand bit, and then I'm going to now look at the instructions, because like I said, I'm not very good at things like this. Okay, so they're saying this bit, oh gosh, okay. See, when you're not used to things and you're pushing stuff, you're a bit, I do, I worry a little bit and think I don't want to break it because it's brand new. Okay, so, see what I mean? So anyway, this will click into place here. See, just, oh, there we go. Okay, so if you can see, I've clicked that into there. And now I presume that this hand bit goes in there. And off you trot. Alright. And then this other piece, we're getting there eventually. This other piece, okay, so, and another good thing about this product is that I think, is it 10 metres? Let me just check, I don't want to give you false information. But I'm sure it said it was 10 metres. Right, I can't see that, so I'm not going to be certain about that, but I do know that another factor for getting it was look at all that, wow, was having the very, very long cord, electrical cord, so that you don't have to keep messing about and going from room to room and unplugging it. Right, now there's that bit. Now this, you can use it with by hand with this part. Yeah, this part, this stick and this handpiece. Or you can put this onto here. Now I'm not gonna... It is very simple. Yes, very simple. If I can do it, you can do it. So there we go. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. But I will do another video and let you know just how nice it is in terms of, is it going to do the job that I need it to do? So there we are anyway. And actually, as packaging goes, it's not too bad. Got a little bit. Thank you for listening.